Welcome back here on Bukal Season 8. It's our last game this Sunday. It's between the 𝘕𝗏𝘓𝗏𝘓 College Foundation Cubs and of course the Ateneo Golden Knights. And of course, nakakasama niyo po ang commentator niyo ngayong hapon. It will be 𝘕𝗏𝘓𝗏𝘓 Reyes na maghahatid po sa inyo ng action-packed game ngayong Sunday. Kaya naman exciting po itong ating mapapanood. Kaya naman kung malapit lang po kayo dito, bumisita na po kayo sa UNC Sports Palace para live na live niyo pong makita ang ating laban. It's between the NCF Cubs versus the Ateneo Golden Knights. At kung hindi man po kayo makakapunta dito sa UNC Sports Palace, live na live po tayo ngayon sa official Facebook page ng Oragon Sports Action and of course ating YouTube channel ng Geran TV 48 Naga. Kaya naman, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Buksan na ang inyong mga cellphone o kaya maglakad na, mag-tricycle na papunta dito sa loob ng UNC Sports Palace dahil in just a few minutes, magsisimula na po ang bakbakang NCF and Ateneo. And actually, ito talaga yung inaabangan ng ating mga basketball fans dito tuwing naghaharap ang NCF and Ateneo dahil talagang binibigyan po tayo ng isang magandang laban. And right now, with the new set of players from the side of Ateneo and NCF, talagang napakaganda po ng kanilang performance na ipapakita. Now to hear an update on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, we have our courtside reporter, Julie.
Hi, Tin, from the sidelines, bringing you the highlights. Magandang hapon, Bukalistas. This is Juliana Gaporpolot and live na live to keep the action alive here at the UNC Sports Palace. And I will be your courtside correspondent on the side of the blue and gold. Last week,
and now, babalikan po natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Julie on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. But right now, we can hear the buzzer. It means we're going to start this Naga Classical matchup, NCF versus Ateneo. And the fans are ready, as you can see inside the UNC Sports Palace. They are excited to witness what game ang ipapakita ng ating dalawang kupunan na ito. Kaya naman, we are really grateful na ngayon mapapanood natin ang ating laban na ito. Kaya naman, maaga pa, pwede pa kayong pumunta dito sa UNC Sports Palace. And again, sa ating mga fans, na kahit nasa malayo man po kayo, pwede nyo pong mapanood ang ating laban ngayon, Oragon Sports Action, on our Facebook page. Now, balikan po natin ang ating courtside reporter on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. We have Julie.
from the side, this is Juliana Gaporpolot.
Yan, babalikan po muli natin mamaya because of technicalities here. And right now, we can hear yung ating mga players on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights and the NCF Cubs. We have here jersey number 23, Palabino, jersey number 27, 𝘕𝘏𝘓𝘓, jersey number 18, 𝘊𝘌𝘍𝑚, jersey number 30, 𝘕𝘏𝘓𝘓𝑚. But on our starting lineup, we have here jersey number 17, Aquino, jersey number 6, De La Rosa, jersey number 18, 𝘊𝘌𝘍𝑚, jersey number 17, Aquino. Well, on the other side, the Ateneo Golden Knights, we have jersey number 7, Atleta, jersey number 17, Latumbo, jersey number 14, Briquera, jersey number 21, Florese, and jersey number 18, Borlagdan. Now a tip-off between jersey number 21, that's Florese, and jersey number 18 on the side of NCF, it's 𝘊𝘌𝘍𝑚. Tip-off. Who's gonna start it? 𝘊𝘌𝘍𝑚 wins that tap. Jersey number 5 entering the first quarter with the basket. That's Centeno. Now, what will be the answer of the Ateneo Golden Knights? Three-pointer. Whoa. This is what we're talking about. Naga Classical NCF and Ateneo. Well, hindi ka talaga maboboring kapag nanonood ka ng laban ng ating dalawang kupunan. But that will be a turnover here. Now, babalikan po natin si Julie on the side of Ateneo. Hi Julie, anong update natin dyan?
Hi Tin, from the sidelines, bringing you the highlights. Magandang hapon, Bucalistas. This is Juliana 𝘕𝘏𝘈𝘚𝘕𝘎 live na live to keep the action live here at the UNC Sports Palace, and I will be your courtside correspondent on the side of the blue and gold. Last week, the Junior Golden Knights came off just 2 points short against the UNC Greyhounds. But after another challenging game, still the fight doesn't stop there. And today, they're back on the court against the NCF Cubs, and the Knights are hungry to turn things around. According to Coach Lars, since their standing is 1-2, the team is now very eager to win. He even said that during trainings, they polished their set plays, and that we can expect better defense from the team for this game. Kaya naman, let's see how the Junior Golden Knights respond to adversity and whether they can turn their setbacks into stronger comeback. Yan ay ating abangan at makatutukan. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Julie Ayang, with a record of 1-2 on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. Gustong-gusto nilang makuha itong panalo against NCF Cubs para 2-2 ang kanilang maging record dito. So let's see if this will be effective on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, it's their ball possession going inside, passes on the corner. Another three-pointer, no good. And CF Cubs on the run. We have jersey number 6 here. Now, jersey number 23, Palabino with the ball. Palabino again. Now, jersey number 17, Aquino. Heavily guarded there. Now, on the other side, ano kaya pinaghandaan dito ng NCF Cubs? We have LN. At babalikan po natin ang ating courtside reporter on the side of NCF Cubs. Right now, 4-5 on our scoreboard. Just a point lead, making it 3 after that shot of jersey number 18, 𝘕𝘏𝘈𝘚𝘕𝘎 on the side of Ateneo. Well, this is a very exciting game. First quarter pa lamang. Right now, babalikan po natin si LA. LA, anong balita natin dyan on the side of NCF Cubs?
Good afternoon, Bicolandia. From the court to your screens, I'm LA Nipa, your courtside reporter from the side of NCF Tiger Cubs. And our game for today ay isa rin talaga sa inaabangan ng mga Bucalistas dahil nga rinig na rinig sa likod ko ang malalakas na hiyawan at suporta mula sa NCF community. Because for Game 3 ay makakatapat ng NCF Cubs ang ADNU Golden Knights. Sabi nga sa akin ni Coach D a while ago na well-rested ang players and prepared ang kanilang mentality na huwag mapipikon sa kalaban. And since previous seasons nga ay nagkatapat ng dalawang koponan, natutuhan ng NCF Cubs na from first until fourth quarter ay dapat no more complacency na at galingan ang kanilang depensa at opensa. Kaya naman Bucalistas, abangan natin kung makikita natin yon sa performance mamaya at yon ng NCF Tiger Cubs. Only here on Bucal 6, chasing greatness, defining history. This is LA Nipa, back to the panel.
Thank you so much, LA. Ayan nga pinaghandaan ngayon ng NCF Tiger Cubs. Kailangan hindi sila maging pikon, maging kalbado lamang sa kanilang laro. And of course, no room for complacency. Actually, lahat ng teams yun dapat talaga ang kanilang mindset dito. Kahit malaki na yung kanilang kalamangan dito, they need to sustain their performance up until the game because who knows, di ba? But right now, 7 minutes and 16 seconds remaining on our first quarter. 4-7, that's a 3-point gap of Ateneo Golden Knights. Now jersey number 7, Atleta, to inbound. The passes to jersey number 18, 𝘕𝘏𝘈𝘚𝘕𝘎. Look at that defense of Palabino. Jersey number 14 now, Biquera. 5 seconds to shoot. Ateneo looking for a score. No good. Nagkakagon dun sa rebound. Now solo on the other side. That's jersey number 17, Aquino. Good combination of players. Good first quarter. Nasa unang mga minuto lamang tayo ng first quarter pero mainit na. Talagang pinaghandaan nila ang kanilang laban ngayon because they know a lot of their fans is waiting for this matchup and they will not disappoint you with this game. 6 minutes and 39 seconds remaining here. Of course, kahit saan mang liga nagkakatapat yung NCF and Ateneo, we all know it will be a good game. At hindi pa laging NCF ang panalo, hindi din laging Ateneo. So both teams talagang hindi naging complacent. Dahil bilog ang bola. Now Palomino with the ball. Passes to jersey number 17, that's Aquino. Palomino again with the ball. Waiting for their time. Aquino. No good. Rebound by jersey number 14, 𝘕𝗏𝘓. There's a foul there. So that will be the ball possession of Ateneo Golden Knights. Dikit ang ating laban dito. Low score because look at that defense of both teams. Now jersey number 21, 𝘊𝘏𝘈𝘖𝗔𝗟. 14 seconds to shoot here. Bautista with the ball. Look at that pass. There's a whistled foul. 2 basket para dito kay jersey number 21, 𝘊𝘏𝘕𝗍. On the side of MCF Tigers, 𝘊𝘏𝘓𝗓 checks in an exchange of Palomino. Fast-paced game for this both teams. First basket, that's good. Para dito kay 𝘊𝘏𝘓𝗍. They're just warming up sa ating first quarter. And malaking tulong din yung mga fans na dito sa loob ng UNC Sports Palace para mas madagdagan yung confidence ng ating mga players. Now jersey number 18. Pass on the outside. Back to jersey number 17. 10 seconds on the shot clock. What will they do? Defense of Ateneo. There's a foul. Pero kudos. Ito yung sinasabi natin. Kudos sa depensa ng Ateneo Golden Knights. They're really making sure na mahihirapan yung NCF Cubs when they're converting a point here. 𝘊𝘶𝘈, 2 shots for him. That's the first basket. Now second free throw of 𝘊𝘶𝘈. That's good. Still a point gap of Ateneo dito sa ating first quarter. 11. That's Ranin. Passes to jersey number 1. On the other side, 10 seconds to shoot. Wong tries for a three-pointer. He didn't get it. Dikit na dikit po ang ating laban dito. Walang gustong kumawala. So it's anyone's basketball. But on that last sequence, there's a traveling violation coming from Aquino. Yung kailangan lang nila ditong bawasan is yung kanilang mga errors. Most especially with this kind of game we are watching. Now Wong with the ball. Libre sa baba. Nabigyan ng pagkakataon dito na i-adjust ang puntos ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Now 𝘊𝘶𝘈. Jersey number 27 now. Jersey number 13, that's 𝘊𝘶𝘕𝗍. We'll check in on the side of NCF Tiger Cubs. No good on Centeno. Same ball possession here. Talagang rinig na rin natin yung mga supporters dito ng Ateneo and NCF. They're battling behind these two teams. which adding a confidence with their game. Now Ateneo on the offense, Wong with the ball. Passes to jersey number 2. That's Bautista. Back to Wong. Wong goes inside, deflected. Ball stays on the side of Ateneo. Four minutes and 25. 11 seconds to shoot. Luay without the rebound. Securing that one. Now Centeno. Looking for his teammates. So nobody on that outside shooting of NCF. Wong. Against 4 players of NCF. There's a whistled foul. 2 free throws will be given to Wong. And look at that instant replay. And that instant replay is brought to us by 𝘊𝘏𝘈𝘚𝘐𝘕𝘎 Philippines Incorporated. First basket was good para dito kay Wong. Now let's see for his second free throw. Now Centeno with the ball. Passes to jersey number 6. Back to Centeno. 10 seconds. What will they do? Another foul.
Number
14 seconds to shoot here. Jersey number 30, Aguinaldo. Centeno. That's a 2 points. That's only 2 points para dito kay Centeno, which is good because back to 1-point lead ang hawak ngayon ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, on the other side, jersey number 11, Ranin. Passes to the wrong person. Centeno with the ball. Si Wong ang tatawagan dito ng foul. Jersey number 3, Olaguer checks in on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. Now Jaden Centeno on that free throw line. 10-12 on our scoreboard, 2-point lead of Ateneo. 3 minutes and 3 seconds remaining on our first quarter. With that minutes, low scoring pa rin tayo. Because of that defense of both teams. On that second free throw, nakuha nga ni Centeno dito. And that pushes a timeout on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. Just looking at our scoreboard, 11-12. Just a point lead of Ateneo Golden Knights. At kanina pa nga hawak nila yung kalamangan dito sa ating first quarter. So let's see. Ano kayang mangyayari on that remaining 3 minutes and 3 seconds dito sa ating first quarter. And here are some of our instant replays and highlights doon sa ating first quarter from this both sides. Talagang pinapakitaan tayo ng magandang performance dito. Of course, dito sa mga players ng NCF, we have Nuay, Aguinaldo, Centeno of course. And on the side of Ateneo, we have Wong, Briguera, 𝘕𝘏𝘈𝘈𝘚𝗏 and the rest of the players on the side of Golden Knights. This will be a long run for both teams. At pag pinag-usapan nga Naga Clasico, first in mind, it's NCF and Ateneo. Now NCF's or Ateneo's basketball, Wong will inbound that ball. Pass to jersey number 11, Ranin. Almost loses it. Jersey number 3, Olaguer. With that kind of defense of NCF. Traveling violation nga. Yung itinawag dito on that last sequence. NCF's basketball, Centeno. No good on that 3-point attempt of Aguinaldo. Two minutes and 32, Wong with the ball. 13 seconds to shoot. Wong goes inside. Well, what a good first quarter for Wong here. One of the key players of Ateneo for this quarter, pero hindi din papatalo. No good. Another one for Wong. Deflected by Centeno. Look at that height difference. Pero sobrang likse ni Wong. Kaya nakakawala siya doon sa mga gwardya ng NCF Cubs. The game continues here in our first quarter. 2 minutes and 3 seconds, 11-14. No good. Jersey number 6 without the rebound, it's De La Rosa. Now Centeno loses that ball. Stays on their side. 18 seconds on the side of NCF. Naghahabol pa rin sila dito. And they really want to get that lead against Ateneo. Centeno to inbound. Looking for his teammates. Pass to jersey number 17. And they lost an opportunity right there. Well, with the lost opportunity on the side of NCF, Ateneo gain 1. Wong with the ball. A minute and 37 before the first quarter ends. Jersey number 0. Passes to his teammates. Tries. Seconds to shoot here. That's Bautista to inbound. Wong with the ball. Step back for a 3-pointer. Second chance. Big things here for Razal. What will be the answer of NCF? I think the biggest gap for this quarter is 5 points right now. There's a whistle foul right there on jersey number 3. That's Olaguer. So jersey number 13 now of NCF, Sakriz. We'll have free throws here. And just like what we've said and what we've mentioned earlier on the second game, free throws are very important with this kind of game because it will make or break the gap of the opponent. That's good for a second free throw. Again, that's jersey number 13, Sakriz. Now Ateneo on the offense. Wong with the ball. We're looking for 48 seconds remaining. Wong for a three-pointer. No good defensive rebound. Tries for another three. Wala pa rin. And CF on the run. Looking for a point conversion for the remaining seconds of the game. That's good here for Aguinaldo. The game is alive inside the UNC Sports Palace, and miscue here, but jersey number 0 was there to get it. Jersey number 2, Bitin. Now, last seconds. No good. For that second chance, wala pa rin. And we will end our first quarter with a 2-point gap of Ateneo Golden Knights, 14-16. What a good game. What a good start for this both teams. Again, this is Naga Classico and CF Ateneo only here on Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And we are back for the second quarter of this game. It's NCF Tigers versus Ateneo Golden Knights. And what a good first quarter we've witnessed earlier. 14-16 on our scoreboard. 2 puntos na kalamangan ng Ateneo. Napakaganda ng opensa, ng depensa ng dalawang kupunan. Walang talagang nagpapatalo dito sa ating dalawang kupunan. But kudos doon sa mga standout players of Ateneo and NCF. We have Wong on the side of Ateneo. On the last minutes of the first quarter, talagang nag-step up siya for the side of Golden Knights. While on the other side, jersey number 5 of NCF, that's Centeno. Talagang when it comes to offense, to defense, with that height advantage, he is one of the key players of NCF right now. Now as we are about to start this second quarter of the game, first basket nga nakuha dito ni Centeno, tying the game by 16 all. Now let's see for the second quarter, what will be the answer here of Ateneo? No good. And CF Cubs on the run. Aguinaldo passes to his teammate. Look at that connection. That's Aquino. This is really a team game. Now, Ateneo tries for a three-pointer. No good. Jersey number 13 with that rebound. Aguinaldo, another three-pointer. Same ball possession. When it comes to offense as well as the defense, halos magkalapit lang yung pinapakita dito ng ating dalawang kupunan. So let's see what will be the adjustment of both teams. Libreng-libre doon si Sacriz. Ateneo didn't anticipate that kind of move. So it's an easy 2 on the side of NCF. Now they have the lead of 2 points. Still no basket for Ateneo for the second quarter. Now to hear an update on the side of NCF Tiger Cubs. Alamin po natin yan kasama si LA.
Bicolania during first quarter ay agad pinakita ng NCF Cubs ang pagkasabik na makapuntos. Lalo na't una pa lang ay dikit na agad ang score ng dalawang koponan. Ramdam din sa loob ng UNC Sports Palace ang patuloy na suporta ng NCF community. During the first 5 minutes nga ng quarter ay medyo nahirapan ng players na makuha ang bola. Kaya nagiging intense rin ang laro na ito para sa kanilang coaches on the side. Dahil nakakahabol din ang ADNU Golden Knights sa puntos. For the following quarters ay mahalagang tandaan nila to remain the composure and to focus on the game despite the loud crowd. And for the second quarter nga ay nagkaroon ng bagong strategy ang NCF Cubs. Kaya naman abangan natin kung gagana ba yun para tuluyan sila ang maging lead scorer sa quarter na ito. That's all. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, LA. Napakagandang performance nga pinakita ng NCF Cubs on that first quarter. And despite with a loud crowd, kahit magbibigay yan ng confidence sa mga players, kailangan din talaga nila mag-focus on their game. Now, Centeno diretso. But with that tap, that will be a point on the side of NCF Cubs. And they are celebrating every small wins and every small points. Well, actually, that's not small. That's a big point coming from the side of NCF Tiger Cubs, knowing that they're up against the Ateneo. And we ended the first quarter with 14-16. And look at the score right now. It's 24-16. What a good second quarter starter for the NCF Tiger Cubs. And right now, 0 run pa rin dito sa side ng Ateneo Golden Knights. And we're waiting for their first basket para sa ating second quarter. And here are some of the highlights. Earlier this quarter, napakaganda po ng performance na pinapakita ngayon ng NCF. But just like what our courtside reporter says, no room for complacency. And right now, speaking of courtside reporter, we have Julie on the side of Ateneo. Take it away.
What a high-tempo basketball. The Cubs are continuously testing the Golden Knights defense, but the Knights are never backing down. Kanina nga during team huddles, sabi ni Coach Mac ay napapansin niya na masyadong gigil ang players, kaya naman he reminded them to mag-relax lang. He even noticed naman ang kalaban, kaya naman they must take advantage of this. Now that we're on the second quarter, the Junior Golden Knights need to... In order for them to maintain their composure, they must rise above the pressure. The game is just starting, but feel free to expect more live action.
Thank you so much, Julie, on your report on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. Well, let's see if they can gain a point right here on the second quarter. But right now, the momentum is still on the side of NCF Tiger Cubs. We have your jersey number 17, and it's still coming from the side of the Golden Knights. A tap. Kaya naman balik sa Cubs ang bola. Palabino back inside the court. Passes to Aguinaldo. Now Aguinaldo to sa crease. 14 seconds to shoot. Aguinaldo, no good. Ateneo still looking for their first basket sa ating second quarter. Jersey number 7 now. And they get it. The first basket of Ateneo. And with that, NCF pushed the button for a timeout. 6 minutes and 32 seconds remaining for our second quarter. Well, it's a good start for NCF, just like what we've mentioned earlier. At nakuha na nga din po ng Ateneo yung kanilang first basket dito. And look at the crowd. Talagang happy silang nanonood ng ating matchup. This is the last game, pero grabe yung energy ng ating crowd. Thank you so much sa Ateneo community and NCF community for making time para manood po ng live dito sa loob ng UNC Sports Palace. At maraming salamat din po sa mga nanonood sa atin via Oragon Sports Action and Geran TV 48 Naga on YouTube channel. Maraming salamat po sa pag-antabay nyo ngayong Sunday. And of course, maraming salamat din po sa ating mga sponsors. We have 𝘊𝘏𝘈𝘚𝘚 Tours Philippines Incorporated, experience effortless travel. We have Skytech Sportswear, built for greatness. And also, we have HJP Pawn Shop na pagkakatiwalaan, as in may puso sa oras din pangangaipon. Now, back to the ball game here with NCF having that 6-point gap. Kung kaninang first quarter, yung gap nasa side ng Ateneo, but right now, NCF They have 6-point lead. But again, no room for complacency. Centeno now, 10 seconds to shoot. Heavily guarded by jersey number 7. Ateneo getting that opportunity. Passes in the inside. Second chance, wala pa rin. But there's a whistle right there. So jersey number 21, 𝘊𝘏𝘈𝘕𝗓, will be on the free throw line for 2 shots.
2 shots for 𝘊𝘏𝘕𝗎.
No good on that first basket. Free throws are as important as 2 or 3 points. 𝘊𝘏𝘕𝗓 with his second free throw. That's good. Making it down to 5-point gap of NCF. Now Palabino to inbound. 5 minutes and 58. Centeno heavily guarded here. Tries to goes inside. Now Ateneo on the offense. Looking for a chance. Step back, still a 2-pointer, no good. Centeno with that rebound. Centeno. Pass to jersey number 23, Palabino. Offensive rebound. A jumper right there. But on the other side of the court, there's one player on the side of Ateneo. That's jersey number 17. That's Latumbo. We hope that it's just a cramp. Five minutes and 16 seconds. 28-19. 9-point gap of NCF Tigers. And the officials are reviewing something here. Now let's see what will be the adjustment of this both teams. Now back to the ball game here. This will be the ball possession of Ateneo. Wong back inside the court on the side of Ateneo. Well, he is one of the players that steps up sa side ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Tapikan dito, jersey number 6 with the help of that pass. That's De La Rosa. Wong looking for his teammate. Tries. Mid-range jumper, that's good. Ano pambawi ng NCF? Palabino. Ooh. Ang bilis na mga pangyayari dito. Grabe yung depensa ng Ateneo. (30-21), 9-point lead of NCF. Still their ball possession. Palabino to inbound. They only have 14 seconds to shoot. So this will be a free throw rather. It's Centeno on that free throw line. No good. It's a bit quiet on the offense side of NCF for this quarter. But when it comes to defense, well, with a slight advantage against the Ateneo Golden Knights, it's a big help for NCF. Still no good. Wala pa rin dyan para kay jersey number 6, De La Rosa. Nagpapadali dito. That's Atleta. Now NCF Cubs Centeno. Wong ang tatawagan dito ng foul. "18 seconds, 4-minute mark ng ating second quarter. Centeno with the ball. And we are looking for more action. Centeno with the ball against Wong. 8 seconds. Three-pointer. No good. Atleta against jersey number 23, Palabino. And he gets that point. Centeno wala pa rin on the offense side. Nagkakagawan dito. No one wants to give their ball. Well, it's the chances for their teams. Kaya talagang laban na laban dyan. Chris checks in again dito sa side ng NCF. As well as Aguinaldo. Now Ateneo is just looking for a 7-point cap of NCF. Atleta taking their time here. Passes to jersey number 2. Back to Atleta. 14 seconds to shoot. A good pass, a good decision right there by Atleta. That's Burlagdan. Pero may sagot naman agad ang Tiger Cubs. A steal here coming from Ibarrientos. 4 straight points coming from him. Back to 9-point lead ang NCF Tigers. Atleta with the ball. 14 seconds to shoot. Maganda yung percentage ng NCF Junior Cubs sa kanilang mga rebounds here. So it's a big help to create a play. Now Wong, 2 minutes and 10 remaining para sa ating first half. Now Atleta, magdadala ng bola for the Ateneo side. Deflection right there. Pero nakuha naman agad ni Wong. Atleta, up against Pabalino. Loses it. Pero too bad, naubusan sila. That's a shot clock violation on the side of Ateneo. A minute and 44. Aguinaldo passes to Palibino. Now sa crease. Back to Palabino. Now Aguinaldo. 10 seconds. But a steal coming from the side of Ateneo. Naghahabol pa rin sila dito ng putos. Traveling violation. Well, that's a lot of errors on the side of Ateneo. They need to lessen that. Focus more on the offense and defense. Now with this timeout on the side of NCF, both teams magkakaroon ng oras dito to adjust what they need to adjust. So let's see, lalo na yung sa side dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights, sila yung naghahabol ng 9 na puntos. If yung first quarter, it's on the side of Ateneo yung momentum, but right now on the second quarter, Ateneo or NCF. And speaking of NCF, we have here Dean Balares and Ma'am Ida Osea watching the game of NCF Tiger Cubs and Ateneo Golden Knights. And we also have Sir Al, the principal of BED. And of course, present din pala dito si Ma'am Nelba Olaso, the Vice President for Sports of NCF. Grabe yung support ng NCF community and even ang Ateneo community andito, buhay na buhay pa rin ang crowd. We only have 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining para sa ating first half. And again, that's a 9-point gap of NCF Tiger Cubs. Palabino pass to jersey number 17. Palabino once again. They need to make a good gameplay here. Munti ka nang mawala. Pero traveling violation, ito yung nagiging problema on both sides. Yung kanilang mga errors, traveling violations, turnovers. Well, they need to lessen that one. Most especially with this kind of game. They're up against themselves para dito sa ating second quarter. Jersey number 11 now passes to jersey number 21. Back to Rizal. Now Wong with the ball. A whistled foul. Jersey number 32, that's Icaranom. Checks in on the side of Ateneo. Jersey number 17 now, Aquino. 49 seconds remaining for our first half. Palabino, heavily guarded right there. Sacris loses that ball. A chance for Ateneo. Long pass to Wong. But there's a whistled foul. Tatawagan dito ng foul si jersey number 17, Aquino. No good on that free throw of Wong. Kailangan niya itong second free throw to lessen that 9-point gap. Still no good. Palabino with the ball. 40 seconds remaining. Back to Palabino. Jersey number 17, Aquino. Nagkakagawan dito with that rebound. With the tap, a point for NCF. "19 seconds. Anong pabawi ng Ateneo dito? Wong. Pass to jersey number 21. And a point. We're just looking for 2 seconds. And that ends our first half of this Naga Classico, 36-27 in favor of NCF Tiger Cubs. But more actions waiting right here on Aragon Sports TV, kaya magbabalik po kami. we welcome you again for the second half of this Naga Classical match. It's between the NCF Tigers versus the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. At natapos nga po yung ating first half. Malaking kalamangan ang iniwan ng Tiger Cubs. It's 36-27. Pero let's see as we're about to start this third quarter. Pero balikan lang po muna natin yung mga nangyari during that first half. Actually, during that second quarter, wala tayong masyadong nakitang highlights so kanilang mga laro because of the defense na pinapakita ng ating dalawang kupunan. And katulad lang ng first quarter, we have Wong, Centeno, Palabino. Sila yung mga key players talagang naging highlight natin during that second quarter. And right now, I have here the halftime analysis of this both teams when it comes to 2 points. High percentage on the side of NCF with 59.26%. While on the 3-pointers, isa pa lang yun na ipapasok dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights. While on the other side, NCF Tiger Cubs, wala pang outside shooting na nai-record dito sa kanilang match against Ateneo. And as for the offensive rebounds, 15. Medyo madami dito sa side ng Ateneo kaya malaki din yung kanilang chances dito na makakuha ng puntos. But when it comes to turnovers, ito yung kailangan bawasan ng dalawang kupunan. Pero on the side of NCF Tiger Cubs, medyo napadami sila ng kanilang turnovers during that first half. Pero malaking tulong din ang second chance point na nai-record ng Tiger Cubs. So tingnan natin kung ito bang analysis na to ay magbabago dito sa ating half time. Now back to the ball game here. NCF Tiger Cubs with the ball. A fast break coming from jersey number 27. That's 𝘊𝘏𝘈𝘈𝘚𝘕. Bagong pasok on the side of NCF. Nagpapakita gilas. And right now to hear an update on the side of Ateneo na nagkahabol ngayon sa ating third quarter. Let's hear it from Julie.
Na para bang may mga talagang agaw kung agaw, rebound kung rebound. We're now on the second half and both teams are showing no sign of the kwento. According to their team captain, gusto niyang makita na organized sila inside the court. And during team huddles, Coach Macker again na mag-relax lang. And if there are for the best one at wag agad magpa-shoot. Fresh from the halftime break and we expect na pero determined to bounce back dahil hindi pa tapos ang laban. After all, it is matches. Expect for more.
Thank you so much, Julia. Yan nga sa side ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Hindi dapat magmadali kapag nasa kanila yung kanilang ball possession. They need time to execute a play. Magandang play yung kailangan dito ng Ateneo. Hindi kailangan magmadali. Ito yung highlight dito sa side ng Golden Knights. Kaya titignan natin kung yun ba yung gagawin ngayon sa ating third quarter. Most especially, medyo napapalaki na yung kalamangan na naigagawa dito ng Tiger Cubs. But right now on the side of Ateneo, we have, I think that's jersey number 21. Yes, that's jersey number 21. That's 𝘊𝘏𝘶𝘕𝘏. 2 free throws will be given to him. Now first free throw of 𝘊𝘏𝘶𝘕𝘏, that's good. Now free throws. Kailangan na mataas yung kanilang percentage dito because as we can see on our halftime analysis, halos pareho lang itong dalawang kupunan na to sa kanilang mga free throws. May naipapasok, may hindi naipapasok. Now back to the ball game, Centeno. Arrancada. There's a whistled foul. So he will be on that free throw line for 2 shots. And we are looking for more intense plays here. And right now, kung kanina napakinggan natin ang report on the side of Ateneo, pakinggan naman natin ngayon si LA on the side of NCF.
Vocalistas, during the previous quarter ay nakita natin na gumagana ang bawat adjustments na ginagawa ng NCF Tiger Cubs for this game because every point or rebounds matters a lot. At kahit nasa loob man ng court o timeout ay hindi nawawala ang communication between the players. Now that we're heading to the second half of the game, ay patuloy pa rin ang pagka-intense ng larong ito. During huddle ay sinabi ng kanilang coaches ang errors at pinakita kung ano ang dapat nilang gawin para hindi sila mawala sa kanilang momentum. Bago rin matapos ang huddle during halftime ay sinabi sa kanila ni Coach D na lumaban at tinatak sa kanilang isipan na sa kanila ang panalo to serve as their motivation. That's all for now. Balik sa'yo, team.
Thank you so much, LA. Ganon yung motivation na binibigay dito sa side ng NCF Tiger Cubs, knowing na wala pa silang talo for this season of Bukal. Kaya yun na nga talagang ginugol nila ngayon, straight to wins. Most especially, this is a big win against Ateneo if ever. So let's see kung yun nga yung mangyayari dito. Pero ang haba pa po ng oras, ang dami pang pwedeng mangyari. At isa pa sa highlight dito sa side ng NCF Tiger Cubs is yung mga errors. Pinoint out ng coaching staff yung mga errors na nagagawa dito ng NCF Tiger Cubs, which is kailangan nilang i-focus doon. Mabawasan yun, ibalik ang momentum sa kanilang side without committing errors. A good game without errors equals to a win. 6 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. 45-33. 12-point gap of NCF, and now this is their ball possession. An opportunity to widen that gap. Centeno passes to its teammate. Look at that. Isa pa, naalala ko pa yung sinabi ni LA na kahit wala sa loob ng court, even timeout, andun pa rin yung communication, yung connection ng mga players, and nakikita talaga natin siya sa laro nila ngayong gabi. Now, anong pambawi ng Ateneo? And speaking of pambawi, that's a steal coming from the side of NCF pero nakulangan lang doon. Wong tries. No good. Maliliksi dito yung mga players. Offensive rebound. Atleta with the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Tries. Still no good here. Now they are looking for a point. Because right now, napatawag na nga ng timeout ang Ateneo dahil sa sunod-sunod. That's a back-to-back points coming from the side of NCF Tiger Cubs. Well, kailangan nilang putulin muna yung momentum na ginagawa dito ng NCF because look at that instant replay. And that instant replay is brought to us by UNC Sports Action, the official media partner of Bukal Season 8. Here are some of the highlights doon sa ating first half. Sa ating third quarter, maganda yung pasok dito para sa NCF. And just like what we've mentioned and the coaching staff mentioned earlier, no room for complacency, of course. And even on the side of Ateneo, ano kaya yung gagawin nila ditong adjustment dahil yung magandang simula nila doon sa first quarter, eh hindi nila naibalik during second quarter. Sa pag-start ng third quarter, they need it back right now. 5 minutes and 36 seconds remaining para dito sa ating third quarter. 49-33. I think this is the biggest gap ng NCF against Ateneo. Now back to the ball game. Ateneo on the offense. Now Bautista with the ball. Looking for his teammate, taking up their time. No need to rush. Nagkahablutan pa doon. Atleta with the ball. To Wong. Di makatira sa labas. Tries. Medyo nahihirapan nga dito sa depensa ng NCF ang Ateneo. The pressure is on now that we are half faith through this quarter. Palabino passes to Centeno. We're now on our 5-minute mark. Centeno goes inside. Alintana yung dalawang guardia dyan sa baba. Well, this is Centeno during the first quarter of this game. Wala pa rin on that three-pointer on the side of Ateneo. Palabino. Heavily guarded. Jersey number 17. Ooh, up three-pointer. I think that's the first three-pointer of NCF Tiger Cubs, if I'm not mistaken, okay? During the first half, walang tres na nai-record dito sa side ng NCF. Now Palabino passes to Centeno. But that's a traveling violation. Ito yung sinasabi dito sa side ng NCF, kahit maganda yung execution ng kanilang mga plays, maganda yung kanilang pinapakitang laro. If there are errors, doon magkakaproblema ang kanilang kupunan. Now, Bautista with that inbound passes now to Araujo, I mean. Well, while securing that rebound, jersey number 17, Aquino, committed a traveling violation. This is an opportunity for Ateneo right now. Wong to inbound. Araujo with the ball. On the outside, 10 seconds to shoot. Wong will try. Now jersey number 17. Basket count with the foul. That's Rex Aquino. Well, he is making a name for himself. Talagang nakikita natin yung galing dito ng mga players natin. Pagpasok ng third quarter on the side of NCF, they're contributing well. Because right now, the biggest gap out of the game is here. Ateneo almost loses it. And that's it. Aguinaldo naman na yun. What a connection between Aguinaldo and jersey number 6, De La Rosa. What will be the answer of Ateneo? Wala pa rin. Pressure defense. Ginagamit ngayon ng NCF. Palabino. Loses that ball. That will be a turnover. Ateneo looking for a point dito sa ating third quarter. As far as I remember, siguro naka 2 points pa lamang po ang Ateneo dito sa ating third quarter. Wala on the other side, NCF pulling all their strings here. Almost loses it. Tries. Wala pa rin sa kupunan ng Ateneo. 10 seconds to shoot. Araujo pushes in. A foul. And na nahihirapan silang mag-convert ng point. Free throws ang sagot to lessen the gap. Point by point, they need it. So Araujo will be on the free throw line for 2 shots. That's good. 34 on the side of Ateneo. Pinakamalaking kalamangan na hawak ngayon ng NCF. 24 big points. No good on that three. Offensive rebound, Aguinaldo. 14 seconds to shoot. Tries for a three-pointer. Wala pa rin for the third time. Palabino naman ngayon may hawak ng bola. Back to Aguinaldo. On the other side, Sakris, fade away, no good. 𝘕𝗨𝗖𝗔𝗟 looking for that foul. Free throws ngayon sa side ng Ateneo, malaking tulong for them. Most especially na nahihirapan sila to convert a point. Now with the fouls na nakukumit ng NCF, yung free throws ang sagot to lessen that gap. Now jersey number 18, Borlagdan, second free throw no good. Aquino to Palabino. A minute and 52, napakabilis ng oras dito. Palabino with the ball again. Pass to Aguinaldo. Sakris, Aguinaldo. Deflected here. Now Ateneo on the offense, looking for a point. 14 seconds. Matumal pa rin yung shooting dito ng Ateneo. At habang iniintay natin yan, thank you sa ating mga sponsors sa Skytech One-Stop Shop Printing and Advertising Service, sa AP Barbers, always precision, always perfect, at sa Blanche Skincare and Laser Clinic. Now NCF on the offense, looking comfortable with the lead. Palabino, 56 seconds remaining for this quarter. Now an opportunity for Ateneo. Pero nakakita pa yon ng ating mga officials. Tatawagan pa nga dito ng foul si Aguinaldo. Hindi yun nakawala sa paningin ng ating mga referees. NCF and Ateneo both now. They're now on the penalty situation. Araujo. The points on the side of Ateneo is coming from their free throws. That's good. Now for the second free throw of Araujo. Kailangan niya to, pero he misses it. Now Aguinaldo with the basketball. 43 seconds remaining for our third quarter. Palabino, 14 seconds. Ooh, with the help of that pass, it secures a point. 23. 19 on our time. Jersey number 3, mid-range, no good. And CF looking for a final point for this quarter. Palabino to Rex Aquino, ending it with a bang para sa ating third quarter. What a good third quarter for NCF Tiger Cubs. Let's take a look at it once again. Ganda nun. And that ends our third quarter. More actions waiting for us sa ating final quarter. Only here on Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. are now down to our fourth and final quarter of this Naga Clasico. Ateneo and NCF Tiger Cubs. Rex Aquino ending that third quarter with a three-pointer. Remember that name. One of the key players of NCF, pero may sagot agad dito ang Ateneo. That's jersey number 14. 𝘕𝘓𝘓, what a good way to start the final quarter. Most especially sila yung naghahabol dito. So right now, let's see kung anong gagawin ng Ateneo. Medyo naglaylo sila during that third quarter. Walang masyadong puntos. All their points on the third quarter, it all comes from the free throws. And right now, NCF making an impression here. Sa ating final quarter, 65-40 sa ating scoreboard. Ateneo naghahabol pa rin. 25 big points. Pero mahaba pa po ang oras. It's anyone's game, so no room for complacency here. If i-maintain lang ng Ateneo yung kanilang good momentum sa pag-start ng final quarter, there's a big chance that they can lessen the gap and they can take on the lead. But with this kind of performance of NCF, points after points after points, they really want that clean record on their name. 14 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 3 on the side of Ateneo. 10 seconds. That's the second three-pointer ng Ateneo dito sa ating final quarter. It's really a big help na mabawasan yung puntos na ginagawa dito ng NCF. .24 lead. NCF Cubs. Centeno past his teammate. Pero that will be a turnover. Ateneo. They need this momentum. They need to work on their offense as well as on their defense. Dami pang pwedeng mangyari. Now Ateneo on the offense. Jersey number 2, Mojica with the ball. Tries for another three-pointer. Wow! Just wow! That's jersey number 14. Grabe. Pangatlong beses na yon on that outside shooting. Kung medyo naglaylo sila sa third quarter, this fourth quarter is for them. And the game is still on for Ateneo. Nakagawa agad ng 9 na puntos. Itong sa side ng Ateneo. On that last three-pointer, that's 𝘕𝘓𝘓. Jersey number 24 checks in. That's Malate. An exchange of Olaguer. Now Ateneo, an opportunity once again. Jersey number 2, Batista. Another three-pointer. No good ulit para dito kay 𝘕𝘓𝘓. Now, they need to take their time. Move with precision. Centeno. 6 minutes and 58 seconds remaining. Rex Aquino. Wala. Ateneo. Golden Knights on the offense. Onto the other side. That's a traveling violation. Napatawag na nga ng timeout dito ang NCF. And to hear an update on the remaining minutes of our fourth quarter, we have on the side of NCF, we have LA.
We're now down to fourth quarter, Bicolandia at nangunguna sa puntos ang NCF Cubs. Kitang-kita sa bawat galaw nila ang commitment in order to score and to remain focused sa laro. Patunay nga rito ang sunod-sunod na puntos ng ating players with the help of their coaches on the sidelines na laging pinapaalala sa kanila to box out, focus at huwag papakawalan ng bola. Now that this is the last quarter ay mahalagang dalhin ng players ang payo ng kanilang coaches in order for them to bring home their third victory. Now stay tuned, Vocalistas, para malaman kung makakahabol sa puntos ang ADNU Golden Knights o tuluyang ipapanalo ito ng NCF Tiger Cubs. It's only here on Bukal Season 8, Chasing Greatness, Defining History. This is 𝘕𝘏𝘕𝘎. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, LA, for that update on the side of NCF and the officials. Meron lang silang pinag-uusapan dito and they will review some of the happenings on that last sequence. So we're going to wait sa decision or sa makikita ng ating mga officials. But before anything else, we would like to thank our dear sponsors, 𝘊𝘏𝘈𝘚𝗔𝗍 Philippines Incorporated, Experience Effortless Travel, SkyTech One-Stop Shop Printing and Advertising Service, HJB Pawn Shop na pagkakatiwalaan at may puso sa oras ng pangangailangan, AP Barbers, always precision, always perfect, Mary's Coffee owned by Miss Kylie Tripolka, Blanche Skincare and Laser Clinic, Lift Gym, more space, more equipment, more way to get fit, RNG Kicks, Walk-in Style, Buy, Sell, and Trade. Okay. Oh. Yung 3-pointers yun ni Rex Aquino on that last third quarter. Now 68-46 on our scoreboard. Now Ateneo on the offense. With his remaining minutes, talagang bigay todo na itong ating dalawang kupunan. Now to hear an update naman on the last remaining minutes of this quarter, we have Julie.
Then one last push for this thrilling game. Unti-unti na ngang lumalaki ang lamang ng kalaban pero hanggat may oras, may pag-asa. During team huddles, Coach Mac said that they will go back to the basics. Dahil napapansin niya na mabagal ang ikot ng bola sa kanila. He even reminded his players to execute their game plan. Takbo, takbo. Fourth and final quarter at dito na natin malalaman if the Cubs will gain the victory or will Golden Knights give this above the pressure and end this game strong. Once again, Juliana 𝘕𝘏𝘈𝘚𝗏 from the blue and gold, 𝘕𝘏𝘕𝘎, our purpose team. Only here on Bukal Season 8, Chasing Greatness, Defining History. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Julie. Now Ateneo, with his remaining minutes, they're really pushing hard. They're giving their all. Because look at that for that second chance point. It's jersey number 21. That's fluorescent. 20 points na lamang ang hinahabol dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights. And CF with that height advantage of jersey number 18, Duay. The momentum continues on the side of NCF. No good on that three-pointer. Palabino with that rebound. 70-46. Centeno naman ngayon. Passes to sa crease. Ateneo needs to focus on their defense dahil kumakawala doon sa ilalim itong mga players ng NCF Tiger Cubs, making it a big gap. 4 minutes and 36 seconds remaining. Will there be a time for Ateneo to lessen this gap, or the momentum will continue on the side of NCF. And speaking of momentum, another point conversion on the side of NCF Tiger Cubs. Ateneo. No call there. Jersey number 24. That's a big three. Coming from Malate. They need more of that. Most especially, we're now down to 3 minutes and 50 or 47 seconds of this game. Didiretso loses that ball. Ateneo on the offense. Every ball possession counts. They need to make sure that every ball possession, they will create a play. No good. Nagkakaguan pa doon sa rebound. But Centeno was there. And a top coming from Nuay. Extending the lead against Ateneo. With that, a timeout was called. Side of Ateneo. And right now, they're losing time. 3 minutes and 1 second remaining. At malaki pa rin yung kanilang hinahabol dito. This instant replay is brought to us by TV 48 Naga, Bida and Bicolano. Now after this timeout, gagawin sa side ng NCF, they need to maintain the momentum, while on the other side, they need to lessen the gap. But with this kind of performance of NCF, standout players, talagang focus na focus sila sa game. And for our sponsors, big thanks to RNG Kicks Walk-in Style by Sell and Trade, Lift Gym, more space, more equipment, more way to get fit, Blanche Skincare and Laser Clinic, Mary's Coffee owned by Miss Kylie Tripolka, and AP Barbers, always precision, always perfect. Now back to the ball game. 14 seconds remaining on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. 3 minutes and 1 on our game clock. Now let's see what will be the adjustment. Pero ngayon, aarangkada muli ang NCF with that fast break coming from Nuay. They're maintaining their goal. They're cleaning their record. 14 seconds, Ateneo. What will be the answer? Still no good. Nagkagawan pa dyan sa rebound. But jersey number 94 securing that rebound. That's Pitara. Now Aguinaldo with the ball. 2 minutes and 21. We're fast approaching the last 2 minutes of this game. Still coming from Wong. Libre. But with the time remaining and the gap na tinrabaho ng NCF, it will be hard for Ateneo here. And that's the call. The last 2 minutes of the game. 78-53. A very comfortable lead of NCF. And they're asking for a review here. So the officials will review that last sequence on who gets the ball. Na maraming salamat po sa mga nag-antabay ng ating mga laro ngayong Sunday. Simula pa po kaninang alauna na hanggang ngayon sa last game, Naga Clasico. Andito pa rin po nakaantabay sa loob ng UNC Sports Palace, and even sa ating mga Facebook pages. We have Oracle Sports Action, Bukal Facebook page, and also sa ating TV 48 Naga YouTube channel. Live na live po tayong mapapanood. Kaya maraming salamat po sa mga nag-aantabay ng ating elimination round ng Bukal Season 8. And shout out kay 𝘕𝗙𝗓 Nicolas, kay 𝘊𝘏𝘈𝘈𝘚𝗍, kay Rick Puerta, kay Cristina Valenzuela, kay Marniela Birido, kay Rusty Quasito. Maraming salamat po sa pag-antabay nyo sa ating mga team bahay na hanggang ngayon nakaantabay pa sa ating final game. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay dito sa Bukal Season 8. And next week, abangan pa po natin ang mga exciting games na hatid ng Bukal. It's Bicol Universities and Colleges Athletic League. And right now, the ball possession is on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. Right now, let's see if they can convert the point. Jersey number 2, Bautista with the ball. Taking their time here. 1 minute and 46 seconds remaining. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Wong. There's a contact. So that will be a 3 free throws. No good on that first free throw. Free throw yung kailangan dito ng Ateneo. That's only 2 free throws rather. Yes, 3 free throws. Medyo naguluhan dun eh. 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining dito sa ating final quarter. At sa laki ng kalamangan na naitrabaho simula noong second quarter up until the final quarter ng NCF Junior Cubs. Dito sa mga natitirang segundo ng laro, they're just making sure that NCF Tiger Cubs will get home with a win. Nuay, no good. Tries. Wala pa rin. Jersey number 94. That's a traveling violation. Para dito kay Bitara. 1 minute and 13. Napakaganda ng performance na pinakita dito ng NCF Tiger Cubs against Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. And of course, pa-shoutout din kay Eugene Nueva at sa buong Nueva family. Maraming salamat po sa pag-antabay nyo sa ating last game, Ateneo versus NCF. Now, 48 seconds remaining. And we're just waiting for the final buzzer. 78-54. Look at that momentum na nai-build ng NCF Tiger Cubs. Nahirapan yung Ateneo dito with the defense na pinakita as well as the offense. It goes side to side. Another free throw. That's good. Pinasok dito si jersey number 32, Icarano. 48 seconds remaining for our final quarter. At bigay na bigay pa rin dito ang NCF Tiger Cubs. Dahil pinaninindigan nila yung payo sa kanila ng kanilang mga coaching staff. No room for complacency. Malaki o maliit ang kalamangan. Patapos man ang oras o marami pang oras. They need to work hard. A three-pointer. No good. 35 seconds remaining. And the NCF community is celebrating with the NCF Tiger Cubs. We're just waiting here. 22 seconds. Will there be a point? No good. Second chance point for Nuay. 13 seconds. And when we hear that final buzzer, it's safe to say that the NCF Tigers will be going home with no losses. At naipasok pa nga. On that last sequence, what a good game brought to us by NCF Tigers. And also, maraming salamat din sa ating Ateneo Junior Golden Knights sa magandang laban na ipinakita. And of course, maraming salamat po sa ating live audience, sa ating NCF community and Ateneo community, kay Ian J. Colasso, Dr. Marilyn Balares, Sir Al Noel Asis, kay Dr. 𝘕𝗓𝘓𝘕𝘎, Dr. Nelma Olaso, kay Sir Jun Villanueva, Sir Westy Villanueva, at nanonood po sa atin ng live si Sir Mario Villanueva at si Ma'am Noemi Villanueva. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. And of course, congratulations to NCF Tiger Cubs para sa kanilang panalo ngayong gabi. Napakagandang laro po ang kanilang pinakita. At sa ating pagbabalik po, makikilala na natin ang ating best player of the game only here on Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Every step I take today started long before this morning. I learned to code, to think in systems, to solve problems that matter. Hands-on, real world, built for what's next. Guided by mentors, backed by quality education. Because the future doesn't begin after graduation, it begins with the right foundation. Choose NCF, College of Computer Studies.
Aral na sa Genesis Colleges, bitbitin mo na rin mga kaibigan mo. Aral na sa Genesis Colleges, sabay nating abutin ang mga pangarap mo. Aral na sa Genesis Colleges, bitbitin mo na rin mga kaibigan mo. Aral na sa Genesis Colleges, sabay nating abutin ang mga pangarap mo. Tara na!
together with me is jersey number 17, Rex Aquino, our high-impact player of the game. First of all, congratulations to you and also to the NCF Tiger Cubs for claiming your third victory. Matanong lang kita, what's your advice to the younger players out there to become a high-impact player like you?
Magpatuloy lang po sila kasi dyan naman po tayo nagsisimula sa mahina. Diyan po.
And what can you say to the supporters na nanonood dito at kahit sa ating live?
Maraming salamat po sa sumusuporta sa amin, lalong-lalo na po sa family ko, sa mga nagbabanda po sa amin, at sa mga sumusuporta po sa amin. Ano lang po.
Maraming salamat, Rex Aquino, our jersey number 17, the high-impact player of the game. Once again, congratulations. And there you have it, 𝘕𝘏𝘈𝘚𝘕𝘎. This is the high-impact player for the game of NCF Tiger Cubs versus ADNU Golden Knights. I'm 𝘊𝘏𝘕𝘕, your courtside reporter from the NCF Tiger Cubs on 𝘊𝘏𝘈𝘚𝑚 Season 8, chasing greatness, defining history.
Our best player of the game is brought to us by Naco College Foundation Incorporated, and our best player of the game is none other than jersey number 18, 𝘕𝘏𝘕𝘈𝘈𝘚𝘚, with 15 points, 4 rebounds, and 1 steal. Ngayon, pang-apat na panalo na ng NCF Tiger Cubs. Ano yung feeling na ngayon against Ateneo? Napakagandang laban. Ikaw ang ating best player of the game.
Binigay po namin yung lahat na tinuro po ni Coach, at ito po nagbunga na po yung mga tinuro po ni Coach. At sa susunod po na laro, pagpupursigihan po namin na mag-angat pa po ng pinagpa-practice po namin para sa next laro po namin mas angat pa po dito sa laro namin.
Ano pa kaya yung kailangang i-adjust ng NCF Tigers para patuloy yung inyong winning streak?
Yung depensa po namin kasi parang ang pangit po ng namin ngayon. Kaya sa susunod po na practice namin, po namin na yung depensa po namin, ipaangat po namin na tatrabahuan po namin.
And now, since you're the best player of the game, you have the floor. Imbitahan niyo sila sa iyong next game, and of course, pasalamatan ang inyong mga fans.
Sa laro po namin next po, sana manood po kayong lahat at bigyan niyo po yung mga fans namin. Punta po kayo dito, tapos manood po kayo. Tapos sa mama ko po, papa, tapos sa ate ko po sa Maynila, ingat po kayo palagi. Yun lang po.
Thank you so much. Again, that's our best player of the game, jersey number 18, 𝘕𝘏𝘕𝘈𝘈𝘚𝑚. Again, this is NCF Tigers. At ang NCF Tiger Cubs nga ang nakakuha ng panalo against Ateneo Golden Knights. Kaya naman, thank you so much and congratulations sa NCF. At aabangan pa po natin sila sa mga susunod nilang laro. And again, maraming salamat po sa pagkatabay nyo sa Oragon Sports Action. Next week, abangan nyo pa po ang full action pack ng mga laro only here on 𝘊𝘏𝘈𝘚𝑚 Season 8. Mapapanood ng live sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.